fashion dons and divas, welcome back to another video. Good morning, good evening, good night, good afternoon, whatever time it is that you're watching this. I hope everybody's doing great. If you guys recall, a few years ago I did have a series on my channel called TWIF, This Week in Fashion. So basically, if you don't know what that is, what I will be doing every week is counting down my top 5 hottest celebrity picks for the week. So it's going to be from males and females. It could be hair, it could be clothes, it doesn't really matter what it is, as long as it's fashion forward. I'll be bringing it to you so you guys can see what was hot that week. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fashion videos and more reviews. So without further ado, let's just get into this week's hottest. Coming at my number 5 this week is Niecy Nash in this gorgeous sequin gown. She actually wore this dress to the Variety and Woman in Film pre-Emmy celebration, and she looked absolutely stunning. Saw some of the other gowns that the ladies were wearing. I didn't get to see her shoes, but I really liked the dress that she had on. So this particular gown was by Lucy Paris. Her makeup was clean, hair was nice, it was all in all a good look, so she came in at number 5 this week. So moving on to the BET Hip Hop Awards, I'm looking at Remy Ma. She's my number 4 pick this week, and she had on this black jumpsuit with some cutout detail in the bosom area going down to the feet. It was all black, her shoes were black, and it also had like gold details on it, so she really did bring this look off. She's kind of thick, so she kind of tends to shy away from colors that are really bright, but I do think the black was really fitting for the occasion, and she really did rock it very well. So we're still at the BET Hip Hop Awards, and we're looking at a cute ass couple, probably everybody's favorite right now. We're looking at Gucci Mane and his girl Keisha Kayor, and they stepped onto the red carpet, kind of matching. So Gucci Mane was wearing a D2 harness shirt. It was black and white, tall sleeves and all, jewelry, black pants, and his shoes actually cost over $1,000 US. And Keisha Kayor was matching his style, of course, in her silver jumpsuit. Had some sequins, had some lace, some see-through, you know how she do. I guess it's because she likes to show off her figure, but she's usually in onesies. It kind of doesn't get old, but at the same time it's a little bit predictable. I can always tell that her clothes are going to be fitted, but nevertheless, her and Gucci came in at number 3 this week. Okay, so moving on to the number 2 spot, still at the BET Hip Hop Awards, we're looking at Jadena. Really classic man indeed. He was wearing a tux. I saw all the other males what they were wearing. They thought maybe, you know, since it was the Hip Hop Awards, they could go in like regular t-shirts and jeans and sneakers, and they were looking very basic, but he was looking very different, of course, as usual, dressed in a tux. He had on this really nice gray tux suit with a green and yellow undershirt thing going on there. Really cute, nice clean haircut, and I really never get tired of his bootcut pants that just, you know, show that ankle, and then his shoes nice, black and clean, and just looking very crisp. It was a very refreshing look because all the guys there were dressed the same, so I really liked his outfit, and he came in at number 2. Alright, so the moment we've all been waiting for, who is number 1? I don't really know her, you know. I know her name. It's Erica Mena. She is, I think she's an actress. I don't know if she's a singer, but I do know that her dress was on point. So she had on this gorgeous custom dress by Stello, lace detail at the top. The top kind of looked like a blazer, and she paired that with like a pencil skirt bottom part. I think it was a dress put together, but it does look like a blazer and a skirt. I don't know, I find that very interesting. So with that all black look, she had some popping blonde curls in her hair. It was just gorgeous. Like, everything was really together. Her makeup was just so clean. It wasn't even funny, very natural. So the outfit was really standing out because she had nothing else to take away from the outfit and how the outfit looked. Really loved her look, so I really had to give her number 1 in my countdown this week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, comment below, tell me what your favorite look of today was. If you guys would have chosen anything different, let me know in the comment section below as well. Follow my social media, Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram at Naturally Miss Taya. I'm gonna have those links in the description bar, and I will see you guys here next week for another fashion review. Until next time, peace. Bye.